Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will show an easy AI method to find dropshipping winners fast. First, feed market data into an AI prompt focused on recent demand. Ask the model to scan 7-day sales velocity and trend signals across marketplaces. Then filter for items priced between $5 and $50 with at least 25% projected margin. Reject heavy or fragile goods to reduce returns and shipping cost. Export a shortlist of 10 candidate products for deeper validation. Next, validate candidates with AI-driven checks before listing. Prompt the model to estimate demand using keywords and recent review volume data. Ask it to confirm at least 3 reliable suppliers with consistent 7-day fulfillment times. Request competitor analysis showing fewer than 15 direct sellers in your niche. Have the AI flag quality issues like high defect mentions or poor packaging. Export a risk score and prioritize products scoring above 70% readiness. Finally, prepare a short test launch using AI-optimized listings and creatives. Begin with a 7-day test campaign and a $100 budget to validate demand and ad performance. Monitor click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend closely every day. Use AI recommendations to tweak headlines, images, and descriptions for higher CTR and CVR. If a product hits target metrics, scale by increasing ad spend 20% weekly while keeping margins healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.